Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Bree Curls and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be washing my hair with the Garnier Fructis new line, the whole blends. I've tried this before, like when they first came out, and I didn't really too much like it. So now they have a whole bunch of new products, so I'm going to give them a try. I did just recently straighten my hair, so it's time to go back curly. So I'm gonna start with the first shampoo package. And I don't remember how I got this package. I know somebody sent it to me, but I don't remember who. But anywho, I'm using the shampoo and it's really light. Like I don't know like whose head they thought this little bit of shampoo was gonna fit for, but it is not enough for me. As you can see, my whole head is not even soapy and it's definitely not gonna last the second time. The shampoo seems okay, it's just not enough. So for my second wash, I'm just going to go ahead and use this clear shampoo. I never really used this shampoo. This is just the shampoo that was in the bathroom, so this is just what I'm using. So yeah, I need Garnier Fructis to step it up with them samples because I need my hair to look like this when I'm washing it. So yeah, I don't detangle my hair until I start conditioning it. It's just easier. I don't like to really rake through my hair as much. So now I'm going to be using the conditioner. But I still have some soap in my hair. So I have to rinse that out and then I can start using the conditioner. Now it is a little bit more product in the conditioner packet. So I can actually section my hair and apply the conditioner. I'm just doing my normal finger detangling, but I am going to do bigger sections because it's not a lot of product in here. So, I mean, it's enough, but it's not a whole bunch. I really should have just bought the bottle if I wanted to test it out because, like I said, they barely give you anything in these little packets. But there isn't much slip, and I don't know, like I feel like my hair is tangled, and I don't know if it's like that simply because, you know, I just straighten it. Well, it's just coming back from being straight. But normally my hair is a little bit easier to get my fingers through, so it's not a lot of slip with this conditioner. And I have a fine medium hair texture, so alright, so once I apply the conditioner, I just rinse my hair out completely and put it in like a little ponytail bun or something, and then just let it sit for about like 5 minutes, and then I'll rinse it all out. So I don't think I'm a big fan of the Garnier Fructis whole blends line. I think that the products are just way too light. I like the normal Garnier Fructis. But maybe I'll actually try it and actually buy a bottle. I already tried the oatmeal one. I think it's oatmeal. It's like brown. It's in a brown bottle. So I don't know. So I just keep trying it and see what I like. Because as of now, I don't like it. And I'm not doing anything to my hair but throwing it in a ponytail.